Many believe beautiful skin is out of reach, reserved for the lucky or those who spend a fortune. We're constantly bombarded with images of flawless faces and promises of instant transformation, making it easy to feel like radiant skin is unattainable for most of us. But that's a myth. Natural beauty is possible for everyone, regardless of age, background, or budget. True radiance comes from within and is accessible to all. It starts with understanding your unique skin and giving it consistent, gentle care. Every person's skin has its own needs, and learning to listen to those needs is the first step toward lasting results. Quick fixes and miracle products often distract us, but true skin health isn't about overnight results. It's about patience, observation, and building habits that support your skin's natural balance. It's about nurturing your skin from the inside out, using ingredients that work with your body. Hydration, nutrition, and mindful choices all play a role in how your skin looks and feels. Sustainable health matters more than temporary perfection. A balanced lifestyle, stress management, and self-care routines are just as important as the products you use. You don't need a cabinet full of products. Simplicity often works best. Focusing on a few essentials can be more effective than chasing every new trend. The journey to natural beauty is about empowerment and making informed choices. When you understand what your skin truly needs, you can shop smarter and feel more confident. This guide will demystify natural skincare and give you practical steps to achieve a healthy, glowing complexion. You'll learn how to build a routine that fits your lifestyle and goals. Remember, what works for one person may not work for another, and that's okay. Your skin is unique, and your journey should reflect that individuality. The goal is to equip you with knowledge so you can listen to your skin and adapt as your needs change. Tracking your progress helps you see what truly benefits you. We'll challenge common skincare myths and build a foundation of understanding. With expert advice and real-life tips, you'll feel empowered to make the best choices for yourself. Embrace your natural radiance with confidence. Celebrate your progress and honor your skin's journey. Let's begin this exploration of natural beauty together. Support and encouragement make the journey even more rewarding. Forget the hype. Real results come from mindful care. Consistency and intention are your best allies. You don't need to chase trends or buy every new product. Trust in the basics and your own intuition. Focus on what your skin truly needs. Small, thoughtful adjustments can make a big difference over time. Knowledge is your best tool. The more you learn, the more empowered you become to care for your skin wisely. With the right approach, you can achieve the skin you've always wanted. Progress may be gradual, but it's always worth it. This journey is personal. Make it yours. Let's get started. Your natural beauty awaits, and the best time to begin is now. The foundation of effective skincare is knowing your skin type. Before you even think about products or routines, understanding your skin's unique characteristics is the most important step you can take. Think of your skin as a unique canvas. Understanding its texture, sensitivity, and needs is essential for achieving a healthy glow. Using the wrong products can lead to irritation, breakouts, or lackluster results. It can even make existing issues worse, leaving you feeling frustrated and confused. There are 4 main skin types: normal, dry, oily, and combination. Sensitive skin is sometimes included as well, since it reacts more easily to products or environmental changes. Oily skin produces excess sebum, leading to shine and clogged pores. This type often needs lightweight, non-comedogenic products to help balance oil production. Dry skin lacks sebum, causing tightness and flakiness. It benefits from richer creams and hydrating ingredients that restore moisture and comfort. Normal skin is balanced, smooth, and has few imperfections. It's the least problematic, but still needs gentle care to maintain its health. Combination skin features both oily and dry areas, often an oily T-zone and drier cheeks. This type requires a tailored approach, treating each area according to its needs. Identifying your skin type helps you choose the right natural products and target each area appropriately, maximizing the benefits of your routine. Without this knowledge, your efforts might backfire, like using heavy creams on oily skin or harsh cleansers on dry skin. The wrong choices can set you back instead of moving you forward. Knowing your skin type is the essential first step. It empowers you to make informed decisions and avoid common mistakes. It's the cornerstone of your natural skincare routine, setting the stage for every product and step that follows. Take the time to observe your skin's needs. Notice how it feels in the morning, after cleansing, and throughout the day. This investment pays off with a healthier, more radiant complexion. You'll see visible improvements and feel more confident in your skin. Don't skip this step. Your skin will thank you. The results are worth the effort. Tailor your routine to your unique needs. And remember that your skin can change with seasons, age, and lifestyle. The right start leads to better results. Consistency and awareness are key to lasting beauty. Listen to your skin. It knows what it needs. Pay attention to its signals and adjust your routine as needed. Build your routine on this solid foundation. Glowing skin begins here, with knowledge, care, and a little patience. You don't need a dermatologist to identify your skin type. Simple at-home tests can help. Try the bare face method. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser, pat dry, and wait 30 minutes without applying products. Observe your skin tightness or flakiness means dry skin. Shine all over suggests oily skin. Comfort and smoothness indicate normal skin. Pay attention to these signs. They reveal a lot. Another method is the blotting sheet test. After cleansing and waiting an hour, press blotting papers on your forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. Little to no oil means dry skin. Oil everywhere means oily skin. Oil mainly in the T-zone points to combination skin. Minimal oil overall suggests normal skin. These tests are quick and effective. They give you a clear starting point for your skincare journey. Be gentle during these tests. Your skin deserves care. Use your observations to guide your product choices. Understanding your skin's behavior is empowering. No fancy tools required, just a mirror and a little patience. Trust what you see and feel. These simple steps set you up for success. Start with knowledge, not guesswork. Your skin's needs are unique. Discover them. Once you know your skin type, it's time to create a simple daily routine focused on 3 essentials: cleansing, moisturizing, and sun protection. These steps are the foundation of healthy, glowing skin, no matter your age or lifestyle. Consistency with these steps is more important than using many products. Sticking to a routine helps your skin adapt and thrive, reducing the risk of irritation or breakouts. Cleansing removes dirt, oil, and impurities. Do it morning and night to keep your skin fresh and clear. Choose a natural cleanser suited to your skin type, gel or foam for oily skin, creamy or oil-based for dry skin. Avoid harsh ingredients that can strip your skin's natural oils. Massage gently in circular motions and rinse with lukewarm water to avoid irritation and maintain your skin's balance. Next, moisturize. Every skin type needs hydration, even oily or combination skin. Hydration is key to a healthy complexion. Moisturizers lock in moisture and support your skin's barrier, helping to prevent dryness, flakiness, and irritation. Apply to clean, slightly damp skin for better absorption and a dewy finish. Use a lighter moisturizer during the day and a richer one at night if needed, especially if your skin feels dry or tight. Look for natural ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or plant oils. These nourish your skin and help maintain its natural glow. The third step is sun protection. Never skip it, even if you're indoors most of the day. Sun exposure causes premature aging and increases skin cancer risk, so daily protection is essential for everyone. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher to shield your skin from both UVA and UVB rays. Mineral sunscreens with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide are great natural options, especially for sensitive skin. Apply generously to all exposed skin, even on cloudy days, since UV rays can penetrate through clouds. Reapply every 2 hours if you're outdoors for long periods, especially after swimming or sweating. These 3 steps form the backbone of healthy skin and can be easily adapted to fit your lifestyle. Keep your routine simple and effective. Less is often more when it comes to skincare. Don't overload your skin with products. Too many can overwhelm and confuse your skin, leading to unwanted reactions. Focus on quality, not quantity. Choose products with clean, natural ingredients that truly benefit your skin. Make this ritual a daily habit, and soon it will become a moment of self-care you look forward to each day. Your skin will reward you with lasting radiance, resilience, and a natural, healthy glow. Start strong, stick to the basics, and let your natural beauty shine through every day. Nature is full of ingredients that can transform your skin. Aloe vera soothes and hydrates, perfect for calming irritation or sunburn. Green tea extract is packed with antioxidants, protecting against free radical damage and reducing redness. Chamomile calms sensitive skin and reduces inflammation. Honey, especially raw or manuka, draws moisture to the skin and has antibacterial properties. Plant oils like jojoba, rosehip, and argan nourish and repair. Jojoba oil mimics your skin's natural sebum, making it ideal for all skin types. Rosehip oil is rich in vitamins A and C, helping improve texture and fade scars. Argan oil is loaded with vitamin E for deep nourishment. Always choose cold-pressed, unrefined oils for maximum benefit. These ingredients have stood the test of time, and science backs their effectiveness. Look for them in your products or use them in DIY treatments. Simplicity and quality matter most. Let nature's power work for your skin. Avoid harsh chemicals when you can use gentle botanicals. Your skin responds best to what's pure and natural. Choose wisely. Your skin will show the difference. Harness nature's best for a healthy glow. Skincare labels can be confusing. Natural and organic aren't always regulated. Become a savvy label reader. Check the ingredient list, not just the marketing claims. Look for plant-based ingredients high on the list, not just water and synthetics. Certifications like EcoCert or USDA Organic are helpful, but absence doesn't mean a product is bad. Just read carefully. Watch for greenwashing. Don't be fooled by pretty packaging or buzzwords. Avoid harsh ingredients like synthetic fragrances, parabens, and sulfates. Short, simple ingredient lists are often best. If you're unsure about an ingredient, research it. Smart choices lead to healthier skin. Once your core routine is set, try advanced techniques for extra benefits. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells, revealing brighter skin. Use gentle scrubs or natural fruit acids. But don't overdo it. Start with once a week and see how your skin responds. Face masks deliver concentrated ingredients. Clay for oily skin. Hydrating masks with aloe or honey for dryness. DIY masks with yogurt, oats, or avocado are simple and effective. Hydrate from within by drinking water, and use hydrating serums or mists with humectants like hyaluronic acid. Seal in moisture with a few drops of plant oil after moisturizing. These techniques boost your results, but don't replace your daily basics. Use them as needed for your skin's changing needs. Experiment and see what works best for you. Advanced care, simple steps. Many women face issues like acne, sensitivity, or aging. For acne, use gentle ingredients like diluted tea tree oil, willow bark, natural salicylic acid, and clay masks. Sensitive skin needs minimal, fragrance-free products. Chamomile, calendula, aloe, and oats are soothing. Always patch test new products. For aging, focus on antioxidants like green tea, vitamin C, and vitamin E, plus hydrating oils. Gentle exfoliation helps renew mature skin. Consistency is key. Natural solutions work gradually, but support long-term health. Consult a dermatologist for persistent issues. Adjust your routine as your skin changes. Listen to your skin's feedback. Share your favorite natural solutions in the comments. Your skin's needs are unique. Care for them naturally. Natural skincare is self-care. Nurture your skin with patience. Real change takes time. Small daily actions add up. Celebrate every improvement, no matter how small. Not all natural ingredients suit everyone. Patch test and listen to your skin. Informed choices matter more than trends. Stick to your core routine for lasting results. Enjoy the process. Find products you love to use. Connect with others, share tips, and learn together. This guide is just the beginning. Keep exploring. What's your biggest skincare challenge? Share below. Embrace your unique beauty and celebrate progress. Your radiant skin is within reach. Enjoy the journey. If you love natural and homemade beauty tips, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy, effective, and natural beauty ideas. Join our community and let's glow together.